Today we have made the ultimate unlimited maze.
Go!
Come on!
Let's go!
Woo! Yes! Woohoo!
A Hot Wheels production hosted by Andy Reesmeyer and Kim Crossman.
Hey, welcome back to Hot Wheels Unlimited. I'm your host, Andy Reesmeyer, and today we are in the Hot Wheels Unlimited Lab.
With me, Kim Crossman, and today Andy and I are going to see who can get the most cars through the maze to the finish line. We have over 700 feet of track, 10 loops, over 50 turns, so it's going to make this quite a difficult maze to master. I'm up first. I've chosen the Rip Rod, and remember, it's not the same without the flame. And I'm going to do track number 5. You want to count me down?
Yes, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go!
Come on. Yes! Yes! Oh!
Oh, very close. We made it all the way down to the Dinos.
That's okay though.
I have the Electrac, and I'm gonna pick this track right here.
All right, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. All right. Okay. Okay, come on. Oh, come on. Oh, man. What?
Straight through the ring of doom.
Of course.
All right, I'm gonna try a slightly different tactic.
Great. 3, 2, 1, go.
Yes, yes! Yes! Oh, come on, come on, come on! Is it gonna do it? Oh, yes!
Wow.
3, 2, 1, go!
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, yes! Yeah! Three, 2, 1, go!
Come on, come on, come on. Stay away from the logs!
Oh, yeah! Very nice.
Good luck. Go! Woo.
Let's go. Whoa, whoa. What? A bottomless pit?
Yep.
It's pretty good.
Good luck.
Go!
Come on, come on. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh!
Woo!
Yes! Woo! Go! Oh!
A jar of cars?
We call it a car jar.
Go! Ha! Yes!
All right, we're all tied up.
This could be it.
You want to count me down?
3, 2, 1, go!
Yes, 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 yes. Oh, yes. Go, 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 go! Yes! Yes! Woohoo! Yes! Good game, good game.
Thank you. You are the unlimited champion.
Thank you, thank you. So this is what we built with Unlimited Track.
Yeah, but we want to know what you would do with all this track.
We're calling for fans to create their own epic track build.
Registered users can like and subscribe, post your video, and use the hashtag HotWheelsTopMyTrack, and we'll check them on out. I'm your host, Andy.
And I'm Kim.
We'll see you next time on Hot Wheels
Unlimited.
A Hot Wheels production.